Hello everyone, welcome to my question and answer round video. First, I would like to thank Photofox for giving me this opportunity, and second, I would like to thank everyone for all your love and support till now. Thank you so much. I believe that winner must be the one who feels proud in showcasing her Indian culture and can be an inspiration to all the other girls looking forward to make a career in this field. Except being photogenic and beautiful, she must be the one who fills the room with positivity and energy. She must also have realization of her responsibilities that are going to come with this title, and she must be ready to grow with this new growing company Photofox. Being the eldest child in the family, I have this sense of responsibility in me from a very young age. I have to take decisions keeping in mind that what impact it will have on my siblings. My scale of measurement of success is my growth in all the small and big opportunities that I undertake. I believe that every new day is a new opportunity to learn something new. And so the changes I make in my daily behavior for growth, the lessons I learn from my failures as well as others, and how creatively and efficiently I then get my job done marks my success. I would love to work with Ritu Kumar. The extensive use of rich Indian heritage craftsmanship in her designs gives them a unique touch. And I love the way she supports the handloom industry. Modeling is a field that gives you the opportunity to put forward your creativity and unique personality. It exposes you to many different skills such as communication skills, proper posture, and poise. But the one thing that I love about this industry is that it has a large viewership. A good model can also be a great influencer, and because of its power to influence huge readership, there is an even greater responsibility attached, forcing them to be mindful of every message that they share. Growing up in the small city, the local garment shop tailors were our designers. We had very limited access to the designers of the world. So till date, I've never got any opportunity to work with any designer. But if I get any such opportunity in future, I'll make sure to use it to its maximum capacity. To be very honest, being from a traditional Punjabi family, the only fashion magazine I had access to while my childhood was Grihasti. It was then my high school library that gave me exposure to some of the famous fashion magazines of the world, such as Cosmopolitan and Vogue. As we all are aware, modeling is a competitive industry, but with the right support, guidance, and lots of hard work, one can definitely level up. To the best of my knowledge, one headshot, one body shot, and a few pictures highlighting your best features is mandatory. There should be a minimum of 6 photos and a maximum of 20 photographs. I believe that modeling is all about how a person feels about herself. A person with self confidence has a different aura. It is evident in his or her personality very clearly. As a society, we are evolving. Those unrealistic standards set for the models have now become obsolete. It is time to embrace ourselves as we are, with fashion institutes taking small steps to encourage inclusivity by changing the height requirements. Is an open call modeling audition is an audition where one does not require any appointment. These auditions are really beneficial for all those youngsters who are looking to join this industry but do not have any sources or connections. Sometimes modeling industries also find some really great talent out of these auditions.